What if I told you that artificial intelligence is not growing infinitely? That behind every AI response, every image, and every AI-generated video, there's a gigantic machine burning unimaginable amounts of resources every second. And the scary part? That machine is starting to run out of fuel. We've been sold the idea that AI is limitless, that it's pure software, that it lives somewhere, like magically in the clouds. But the reality is completely different. AI is physical, it runs on chips, electricity, cooling systems, rare materials, data centers, and massive infrastructures. And right now, the world is struggling to keep up. When you open ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or any modern AI system, everything feels instant, right? You type a question, seconds later, you get an answer. It feels pretty much effortless. What you don't see is the industrial scale operations happening behind the scenes. Every message consumes tokens, as we talked on the last video, and every token triggers calculations. And those calculations require GPUs, and every GPU consumes power, cooling, memory, networking, and a lot of infrastructure. The AI revolution is not only software, it's one of the biggest infrastructure races humanity has ever seen. Now think about this for a second. Millions of people are using AI every single day. Students, programmers, business owners, creators, marketing teams, and entire startups. All these people are trying to generate videos, images, AI agents, automations, and entire workflows for their business and ideas. And every single one of those actions will burn computer power. A lot of it. Especially now that AI is evolving from simple chatbots to multi-actional agents. The more intelligent AI becomes, the more expensive it will be, because intelligence requires computation, and computation requires structure. A few years ago, the AI battle was mostly about software. Who had the smartest model, who had the best research team. But today, that's only part of the equation. The real war is happening behind the curtains. Who has enough GPUs, who has enough electricity, who has the data centers, and who can afford to train and run models at a scale. This is exactly why companies like Nvidia are killing it today, because their GPUs is like the oil of the AI era. Because without chips, electricity, and infrastructure, AI will completely stop. And now countries are realizing this is no longer just a tech competition, it's economical power, industrial, and geopolitical. And now we're already starting to see the consequences. Expensive subscriptions, limitations of free users, the smaller context windows, writing queues, rate limits, and all of this, because all of these AI generating processes are incredibly expensive at a scale, especially AI videos. One cinematic generation, it could take a lot of computing power. Now imagine millions of people generating AI videos every day. The demand is exploding faster than the infrastructure itself, and this will create bottlenecks, not because humanity lacks of idea, but because we physically cannot build chips, energy, and systems fast enough. This will change everything, because the future winners of AI might not simply be companies with the smarter models. The winners might be those with control, the ones that have access to energy, semiconductors, infrastructure, data centers, and supply chains. This is why governments are investing billions into AI infrastructure, why companies are racing to secure chip manufacturing, and why hyperscale AI campuses are being built around the world. AI is no longer just a software, it is an infrastructure at a planetary scale. We just realized AI is not magic, guys. It's electricity, hardware, energy, and physics. The uncomfortable truth is that the world wants an infinite AI, but we still live on a finite infrastructure. And unless humanity solves that problem, AI might not slow down because we run out of innovation. It might slow down because we literally run out of fuel. But if you really want to understand what's really happening behind the AI infrastructure, economics, and its future agent models, subscribe to the channel because this is only the beginning.